Well, g'day boys. There's the mower. We were out last night and it was pretty dark, so I couldn't get any videos of anything really, but yeah, she's really starting to show the wear and tear on it. That front wheel's kicked out pretty bad. So is that one. Front end's completely fucked. But she actually held up and didn't break down or anything. I was quite surprised. This here tire's got a huge gash in it. I don't know if I've showed you it before, but somewhere around there I put a tube in it and put a piece of rubber on the inside to sort of help maybe prevent it from ripping anymore. So need some tires and whatnot, but I'm thinking of doing a rebuild on it. Thinking of putting tie rods on the front of it for down there, new spindles and maybe bearings in the wheels, and then on the bottom up in there where the steering mounts up, I want to put tie rods on that, tighten up the steering a little bit, maybe run some supports for the frame, because I noticed the whole body of the mower is sort of twisting a little bit when you hit stuff. Rear end, I'd like to pull it off, clean it all up, put new oil in it, put new bearings in it. It needs new idler pulleys the whole way across because they all rattle and make awful noises. Needs a motor. Motor's pretty well worn out. It's smoking and it's knocking and ticking and all that good stuff. But anyway, just thought I'd show you the mower and hopefully get some videos of it, because that was a lot of fun driving it. So I'm thinking of trying to fix her up again. So, alright, have a good one. Bye.